Alright, I'm going to rack the wine from the primary into the secondary. I just took a reading out and it's measuring at 1095, about 14% alcohol at this point. We'll do another reading once it finishes the fermenting in the secondary. Everything's sanitized, and so let's get going. We'll give this a taste. That's a really good wine. It's still a little bit semi-sweet. It's going to ferment a little bit more. I think I'll drink that. Probably let this go for about 2 more weeks, give or take. Next thing I'm going to need to do is process the pineapple habanero sauce. Maybe tomorrow I'll do that, make a video, so keep an eye out for that one coming up if that's something you're interested in. That would be good to go just like it is. See if I can speed the process up just a little bit. I may have to get another carboy. I think I'll stop right there. I'm gonna go get my other carboy. Try to keep the sediments out. Cheers. Happy holidays, everyone. Thanks for watching.